What weaknesses are California claims adjusters looking for in my personal injury case? The attorneys at NP Law explain. First of all, they are looking for who is at fault, and they will try to put some of the fault, if not all of the fault, on you. If they can't do that, they will look at the damage to the vehicles and argue that there isn't enough damage to have caused any type of injury in the collision. If they can't succeed there, they will say that any injuries you're complaining of pre-existed this particular incident, and, therefore, they are not responsible for those injuries. Your pain, in other words, is really because of the pre-existing condition. However, there is a concept known as the eggshell plaintiff that says you take your plaintiff as you find them. If they are more susceptible to injury than another person, that's not the plaintiff's fault. You shouldn't have injured them in the first place. The plaintiff doesn't bear any responsibility because they are more susceptible to injury. If the adjuster fails on any of those points, then they will claim that the injuries you're complaining of are not severe or not serious enough to warrant any type of treatment. Then they will attack the treatment and say that you are over-treating to build a case. Or if you didn't treat, that must mean you weren't hurt because you didn't treat enough. Also, if there is any type of break in treatment, for instance, if you don't go to the doctor for a week after the accident, they'll claim this gap or delay in treatment indicates that you are not injured. Sometimes there will be actual breaks in therapy where you will begin treatment and then not see a doctor for maybe a month or two before returning to the doctor because whatever problem you are having is not resolved. A claims adjuster will attack that. When they look at the bills for your treatment, they will claim that the doctors are billing too much and that your treatment should be billed at a lower rate. The claims adjuster might also examine whether an intentional act or negligence caused your personal injury. Most insurance policies will not cover their insured's intentional acts, such as assault or battery. For more information on impact of Prop 65 on toxic tort claims, an initial consultation is your next best step. Get the information and legal answers you are seeking by calling us today or visiting our website at www.nplaw.la.